Justin's second extraction. And he's so excited to the extraction. Justin is so relaxed, see? He's so relaxed, doesn't feel anything. Because he has a group tooth already. See, so happy. Oh my God, Justin loves daddy so much. And yeah, will be his souvenir. It's gone. See? It's so fast. See?
Good job.
So it's okay? Did you feel anything? It's nervous? Did you feel nervous or no? Nothing scary? Say hello to your mom and to your kuya and Zoe. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
Uh-huh.
Say mommy and
Hi,
Zoe.
Joey and Kuya Justin. Hi.
Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth here. Hold your teeth.
Oh, it's dirty, Anna.
See, dirty? Okay. Say bye-bye. I am 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old.